will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, the counties of Berry and Cass, St. Joseph Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX. Click on NOAA Weather Radio at the bottom of the page. We now return to normal programming. I'm meteorologist Michael Lewis with the National Weather Service in northern Indiana. Now here is the
Awesome
hazardous
job,
weather
dude.
outlook
Awesome
for northern
job.
Indiana and